Hi, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how you can create an interactive PDF using Illustrator and Acrobat Pro. So this is the final product, simple map with some buttons, and as you can see when we roll over these buttons you get a nice little pop-up with a photograph. So let's just jump straight into Illustrator. And as you can see, I've drawn a map. I have some buttons, and each pop up, and they're all on their own layer. And that's very important for when you get into Acrobat Pro, so that you can toggle the visibility of those layers on and off. When we do our export, you want to keep anything that's going to stay constantly on to on in Illustrator, and then anything that's going to be interactive, leave those off, because that'll save you some time in Acrobat. So the next thing would be just to save as, and you want to save as, you don't want to print, because when you save as a PDF in Illustrator you get a little bit more functionality on that layer control. So we're going to save this one, and I'm going to use the smallest file size preset first, and then I'm going to check create Acrobat layers from top level layers. So put that on, save, and let's just go right back into Acrobat. And as you can see, nothing happens when we roll over just yet, but what we want to do is turn on our layers palette, which I believe is in View, Navigation Panels, Layers. So if you don't have that on by default, there it is. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is turn on one of the pop-up layers. And we're going to go to Tools, Advanced Editing, and Button. And we're going to draw a button directly over our artwork button. We're creating kind of like a hotspot for that rollover to happen. So, and then we'll get a little button, and we'll just name it MC and show all properties. So this is the properties of that button. Since we already have an artwork button, we're going to change the appearance of this button to clear, basically. So no border color, no fill color. And then in actions, we're going to change the trigger to mouse enter and execute. See, no, we want to set layer visibility. So click add, and the target layer states of the selected actions will be set to the current state. So what that means is when the mouse enters, it's going to change the visibility of that pop-up to on. And then we can close this. Now we're going to turn that pop-up off. And then we're going to set another layer state to mouse exit. We're going to set layer visibility again, so add. So now it's going to set it to off when the mouse exits. And you get this again, just close it. Now we switch over to the hand tool. We're back in basically in reader mode, no longer editing, and you can just test your pop-up and make sure that it works. And as you can see over here on the layers palette, that visibility is changing when the mouse is entering and exiting. Okay, now I'm going to do those again on the other ones just so that it's clear. So tools, oh wait, first we need to turn on the visibility of the next pop-up. We're going to go to Tools, Advanced Editing, Button, draw our button, change the name, show all properties, change the appearance of the button, set an trigger to enter and set layer visibility to this current state. Close that. Turn off that pop-up. I'm going to double click to go back into this button's properties. Mouse exit. Set layer visibility. As you can see, he's got these stacked actions. Okay, it's done. Let's go back, go to the last one. Draw a new button. Mouse enter. Set layer visibility. Turn off. Mouse exit. Okay. So click the hand tool again. We'll get back into reader mode. Double check all these. Everything seems to work. Okay, so all you need to do from here is just file save, and that's your complete interactive PDF with rollovers.